Ramsay Health Care was established over 45 years ago in Australia and has grown to become a global hospital operator with over 115 hospitals and day facilities across 3 continents. In Australia, Ramsay Health Care is the largest private hospital operator, well recognised and respected in this industry for leading the way in private hospital management. Ramsay Health Care's bid to build and operate a private hospital on the Sunshine Coast University Hospital campus draws on its long experience in both co-locations and in commissioning new hospitals.
We're really excited about the opportunity to develop a private hospital co-located with the Sunshine Coast University Hospital. Our substantial experience in co-locations and the provision of services to public patients and our local service delivery on the Sunshine Coast provide a unique base for the establishment of a long-term, successful relationship with the Sunshine Coast University Hospital and Queensland Health.
The patient experience at this hospital will be a key focus for Ramsay Health Care, ensuring that processes are customer-focused and that best practice clinical care is achieved will be part of the vision for this hospital. Ramsay Health Care has commissioned experienced hospital architects Philip Smith Conwell to put forward an innovative yet simple and effective design for the hospital on the Sunshine Coast University Hospital campus.
The private hospital has been designed from the inside out. There's been a focus on the clarity of the planning, both for the patient flows and for the clinical flows. This ensures we have a low-stress environment for both patients and staff. The inpatient accommodation is located on the eastern side, which has excellent views towards the ocean and the lakes, and views towards the hinterland on the west.
Ramsay Health Care proposes to build a private hospital for the future. In deciding on the hospital's size and services, Ramsay has drawn on its own internal knowledge of the marketplace from its 3 existing facilities on the Sunshine Coast in Noosa, Caloundra and Nambour, as well as extensive independent market research.
Ramsay has extensive experience in building new services for growing communities. We understand that a key success factor will be expanding existing services as well as introducing new services to the Sunshine Coast. A Ramsay facility will immediately provide a broad range of medical and surgical services, but moving into the future, we'll work cooperatively with Queensland Health to introduce more complex services like cardiothoracic surgery and neurosurgery, and this will really help to address patient outflows from the area.
Ramsay Health Care will be pleased to provide services to public patients in the private hospital and will provide the highest standard of care to these patients. Ramsay Health Care currently employs 30,000 staff across the world and is recognised for its commitment to staff through the fostering and development of a special culture known as the Ramsay Way. The Ramsay Way recognises that people are the key to the company's success.
Ramsay has a proven track record in recruiting the required workforce for new developments. We're confident that the Ramsay team will be able to attract a highly skilled and competent workforce to work at the Sunshine Coast University Hospital campus. Ramsay has established relationships with universities across the country, and especially here in the southeast corner of Queensland. And we believe this will further enhance our ability to attract the medical, nursing and allied health workforce for the University Hospital campus.
Ramsay is regarded as one of the leaders in clinical training in the private health sector. In Queensland, the University of Queensland and Greenslopes Private Hospital have jointly developed a major clinical school on the campus at Greenslopes Private Hospital. With the company's experience in providing hospital services on the Sunshine Coast, in commissioning new hospitals, and in working successfully with governments and universities across the globe, Ramsay Health Care believes that together with Queensland Health, it can deliver a world-class tertiary healthcare campus for the Sunshine Coast community.
We're a large organisation with substantial resources, both human and financial. We will allocate the required amount of resources both in the development phase and in the ongoing operational phase. We want this project to thrive and be sustainable over the long term. In partnership with Queensland Health, our vision is to create a tertiary hospital campus which will be the benchmark standard for co-locations across Australia.